Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed the local variables in Java. In this session we are going to discuss instance variables. So let's start the session. Instance variables, the variables which are declared inside a class but outside of methods. Those variables are called instance variables. The scope of instance variable is inside the class having global visibility. For the instance variables, memory allocated during object creation and memory released when object is destroyed. See, this is the sample code. Before going to the sample code, we have to discuss two areas in Java. One is static area and another one is instance area. In instance area, we can directly access the variables, but in case of static area, we have to access the variables by using object creation. See, this is the class and test is my class name. I defining two variables a and b. These are my two instance variables because these are written outside the main method, and this is my static method and this is the static area. See, this is my object. We know that object is created by using class name that is test, and t is my reference variable, new, and again my class name. See, I am accessing these instance variables by using my object creation, that is t variable t.a. See, I am calling the method inside the main method. This is the instance method void m1. This is the user defined method and this is the instance area. We can directly access these variables because the variables having scope enter the class. While executing, we can get clear idea about this. So let's start. I am defining two variables, int a equals to 10, int b equals to 20. These are my two instance variables. Now I am going to access these two instance variables. So first we have to create an object, that is class name sample code as reference variable, new sample code. Then we have to access those variables system.out.println s.a. system.out.println s.b. See, these are my two instance variables and this is the reference variable. So we can access these variables. So run the code and the output is 10 and 20. See, I defining the method, one method void m1. In this method I am accessing my instance variables system.out.println. Yeah, I am directly accessing my variables without the reference variable because the instance variables having scope till the class end. System.out.println b. See, this is my user defined method. So I must call this method in my main method, that is s.m1. Now again run the code. Run. See 10, 20 and again 10, 20. So we can clearly understand the instance variables in Java. If you have any doubt or queries, please comment in the comment box. So thank you.